there, welcome back to the garage. My chair has arrived, so it's time to put it together. Let's get on with it. There, one chair. I get my old mate Stan to help me open the box. Right, so we've got some nuts and bolts. That looks like one of the armrests. The other armrest. Seat. Legs. My strut. Back. Something blokes never read. Foot support. Oh. And some casters. So this is what they call a draftsman's chair. It's a bit like an office chair but slightly higher up, because this workbench is at a bit of an odd height, but yes. So that's what I'm hoping it'll look like when I finish putting it together. Whether it does or not depends on how much beer I've had with my dinner this evening. Okay, after definitely not looking at the instruction manual, I think I'm ready to start putting this thing together. Hey. Yep. And it goes back down again. Excellent. Right. Carelessness causes fire. It's a good thing I'm not careless then, isn't it? What? Okay. Most random safety label I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, what's that supposed to represent? Answers on a postcard. You didn't see that. Right. One chair. So, one chair all ready to sit on. Oh. These armrests fold down, which is handy. And yeah, I think it's good height. The footrest might need a bit of adjustment, but I can sort that out. So yeah, so a nice height to sit at my workbench and make stuff, do videos. It's nice and comfortable. Pivots, and the armrests get in the way if I try and turn too far, but I can always. So yes, happy. Okay, just a quick video this evening, just showing you my new chair. It's quite surprising how much difference a chair can make in a workshop. You can have a nice workbench, all the tools in the world, but it's not quite the same without a nice comfy chair to sit in, and that's going to get sat in a lot, I think. So if you like my videos, there are more for you to watch here and here, And if you like my channel, please subscribe here. So I'll see you next time. Bye for now.